Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a quick routine on a refresh. Just got back from the gym. My hair is a hot mess, as you can see, so I'm going to go ahead and take it down and I'm going to show you what we're going to do today. Yeah, wow, that's a hot mess, isn't it? So I worked out this morning like I mentioned, and all I did was just put it up in that protective bun with my little hair tie here, as you can see. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you a couple of products that I'm going to bring here with you. So I have my water bottle. Inside is just some water with a little bit of leave-in conditioner in here. I believe it's the As I Am leave-in that's in here. And then I also have my Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Raw Oil for dry damaged hair. So this has creamy shea butter, rich coconut oil, and pure macadamia oil. So this is what it looks like. It smells yummy, by the way. And then also I have my curls, a Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. This stuff is also amazing. See if I can get that better for you. And with this guy, it says got frizz, yeah, a little bit here. Need curl definition and hold. Formulated with certified organic blueberry extract, argan oil, aloe leaf juice, and hydrogenated castor oil. This hard-working styling jelly is your go-to product for long-lasting shiny curls. What I love about this too on this product is that it's also going to tell you day 1 and day 2 on here on what to do with it. So without further ado, let's get going on this hot mess. So I'm just going to shake up my water bottle and I'm just going to spritz my hair all over just so that I can help it to relax a little bit being in that bun. And just going to spritz it all over. Relax. Again, these curls. So I am working on, let's see, I washed my hair, today's Monday. I washed it on Saturday. So this is how it's looking so far. Again, washed it on Saturday. So now I'm just going to just control it a little bit more, start getting a little bit more easy and gentle on my hair. Making sure that it's just kind of feeling it, just seeing if there's any dry areas still. So far, so good. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Maui Moisture, Shea Butter. This product right here, it's an oil. So be very careful with it because it's very, very, very liquidy. So I'm just going to use it's going to be hard to show you, but about, yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but probably about a quarter size amount is what I'm doing here. Just putting it all over my hair. Now I'm going to section it off. Again, a little bit more. Now I'm doing about a dime size. And I'm just going to start trying to activate those curls a little bit. Another kind of a little dime size, just a little bit more on those ends. This stuff smells amazing, by the way. Oh my gosh, it smells so, so good. So this is just going to put some moisture back into my hair because my hair does tend to get very dry after a couple of days. So I just want to just re-moisturize my curly locks. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Curls Bliss. This is the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. And this stuff also smells amazing. It does smell like blueberries. That's what it looks like, that's the consistency. So I'm gonna section off my hair here. Rub that between my fingers, as you can see. And then now I'm just going to glide over, do praying hands, again glide, praying hands, and then I'm gonna scrunch. Now remember too, I don't know if you saw in one of my previous videos, that when you're scrunching, try to keep your thumbs out of it, okay? Because if you put your thumbs in it, you're going to do this with your hair, it's going to cause friction. You're going to go up the hair shaft. So keep your thumbs out of it. Now I'm going with some more for the other side. And again, I'm gliding that over, praying hands. And I'm also trying to be careful not to really stretch my curls, by the way. So I don't want to stretch them down, but I do want to cover them. So I'm trying to coat them, but without stretching them out. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to put my hair back, and then I'm going to go in the top and do the same thing right here in this area. And we got about this much. And now I'm going to glide over the top here. And again, we're going to use what's left to put right here in the front, kind of give it some lift. And we're gonna give it some shape now. All right. Okay, now what we're gonna do is just let it air dry. And I'm gonna do some computer work here, and then when I get back, I will show you how it looks after it's been air dried. So stay tuned. Okay, it's been an hour since I let my hair dry, and it is 100% dry. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my trusty little hair pick. You can use a pick if you like, you can use a wide tooth comb. Any of those choices are just fine. So this is what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna flip my head over so that I can start the process. And what this is gonna do is just give me some more volume to my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip over. Hopefully you can see that. And so now I'm gonna go starting from the back. And what I'm doing actually is I'm just putting the pick in my hair against my scalp and then bringing it back out the same direction that the pick went in. So it's important that you do that so that this way you don't cause friction. Now I'm gonna go into the bottom, underneath I should say, this is at my crown, and I'm doing the same thing. Now I'm gonna flip over, same thing again. So again, you can see how I'm just going in and out. And I'm gonna flip to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, now I'm just gonna let my hair kind of fall where it wants to, and see how that gave me a lot more volume than what I had before. Now what I'm gonna do is just very gently, I still have a cast over my hair from the gel, so I wanna just release that a little bit. So I'm just gonna gently just go ahead and scrunch my hair, and again, leaving my thumbs out of it. I'm gonna do the other side. And same thing again, just kind of feeling it, feeling where the crunchy parts are. Same thing in the back. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my fingers, and I'm just going to at my scalp. Just give myself a little bit of a scalp massage to, again, give me a little bit more volume. And right about here as well, being very careful right here in the front. If you notice too, by the way, I am not going on top and doing this, I'm going underneath, so that this way it doesn't cause that friction and cause frizz, any more frizz. All right, and I do still have a little bit of frizz. Honestly, I don't mind that at all. It gives me a little bit more height and lift. And that is the end result. So this is again a couple of days old of third day hair, I believe is what it was again, and not too bad, especially for also working out as well. These products are amazing. I hope that you'll give them a try. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If there's something else that I can do for you that you're interested in, please leave me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will. And also please give this a thumbs up if you like this video. You guys have a great day, amazing day, and I will see you guys soon. Take care. Thank you so much for watching.